Want to unlock Netflix libraries from other countries on your Android Smart TV in under 3 minutes? Hi guys, welcome to the Techno Galaxy. In this video, I'll show you how to install NordVPN on your Android Smart TV step by step and verify that it's actually working. Let's jump in. First, grab your Android Smart TV remote and open the Apps section. From here, select Get More Apps. This opens the Google Play Store for your TV. Now, go to the search bar and type NordVPN. You should see NordVPN Fast and Secure VPN appear in the results. Click it, then select Install. The installation usually takes less than a minute, so just wait for it to finish. Now, once it's done, click Open. Now we need to log into our NordVPN account. You'll see two options here: quick login with a QR code and a manual login with email and password. If you want the fastest method, you can scan the QR code with your phone. But for this tutorial, I'll use the manual login option. Now, please make sure to note that depending on when you are watching this video and which Android version your TV has, the NordVPN app interface may look a bit different to you. But you will be able to log into your NordVPN account using this method. You can always check the latest NordVPN services by checking the special link we have provided in the video description box down below. Now I'll enter my email and password here, and I'll be right back when it's done. All right, we're now inside the NordVPN dashboard. The next step is to choose a server location. This determines which country your internet connection appears to come from. For this example, I'll connect to Canada. You might see a permission pop up asking to allow the VPN connection. Just select OK. And that's it. The VPN is now connected. And as you can see, it only takes a few seconds. Now let's make sure it's actually working. Press the Home button, go back to My Apps, and open the internet browser. Next, go to Google and search for What is my IP? Open one of the results, scroll down a bit, and here you can see our IP location shows Canada. That confirms the VPN connection is active. And that's how you install and set up NordVPN on an Android Smart TV. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Also, check the link in the description if you want to get NordVPN. You might get a nice discount, and it also helps support the channel.